Hey, hi everyone. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about how to read a file line by line in Node.js. Well, this can be done with the help of the file system module, right? And one more module is required to do this, which is your readline module, right? So let's see that how we can do it. So for that purpose, we first need to import the file system module. So if we write fconst fs equals to require, and inside of this we write fs. Now this is fs is denoting the file system. We are taking it with the help of this require method and storing it inside this fs variable, right? Now coming forward, we need to import the another module, that is readline here. So we'll write const read line equals to require, and inside of this we write read line, right? Like this. So we need these two modules and we have imported it. Now, how we can work with it? First, we need to take a variable that is file stream, right? We are going to stream the line by line of data of the files, right? So we need to write const file stream equals to fs dot create read stream. I'm repeating again, that is fs dot create read stream. That is what we are going to use. So fs dot create read stream method, right? Like this. Put the bracket here. Now inside of this, we will write the name of the file which you want to read. So let's say I'm having a file that is destination.txt. You can see there's a lot of data written here. I want to read it. So I'll write the detail about it, that is destination, the name of the file, that is destination.txt, like this. Got it? Now after this, we will write const rl equals to read line, right, dot create interface. Read line dot create interface. I'll explain you everything. First write with me, right? And then put a bracket here and then a curly bracket. Inside of this we'll write input is what? Your file stream. File stream is this, right? So we'll write file stream and then put the comma here and crl delay. CRL delay is to be put as infinity, right? Like this. Now coming forward, uh, below of it we will write rl. Rl is what? The interface that you created with the help of the read line module, right? So you write rl dot on and then put the bracket here, and inside of this we write line, like this, right? And then put a comma here and we write the callback function, that is function bracket, the line, right? The line, that is a parameter basically, and we'll print it console.log and then bracket here, and we'll write line. It is reading every line, right, one by one. So every time when the callback function will run, it will execute one line, and this line will be shown here, right? So the format of line will be line, then a colon here, and we'll use the template literal like this, and inside of this we'll write this parameter, that is line, right? Like this. Now let's see that whether it is working or not. So just save it first, and then we go here and write node script, sorry, script.js, like this, and press enter. And you can see I get all the lines one by one by applying this particular text in the front of every line, right? That shows that this whole file destination.txt got streamed, and it was get read with the help of this read line module and the file system module. So you can see this line is with every single line of the file, as you can see here in the file also, that is destination.txt. This is all the lines, right? And that we are getting here in the main terminal, that is every line, even if the line is having nothing, just a gap, that is also shown because it also got streamed. So by that method, one of the use cases that you can add on uh, some text that you want with every line, you can do it here, right? If you want to write, we can use the write stream also, that is create write stream, and this is how we can do it, right? I hope you understand that how we can stream the file line by line in Node.js. So thank you so much for watching. Okay, but before that, let's understand some of the method that we used, right? I was missing that. Okay, so what is this fs.create read stream? Well, this opens the file as a stream, right? The main function is to open the file as a stream, because that's what we are going to do. That's our aim, right? And this readline.create interface, what is this? Well, this listens to the stream, right? This creates a stream, this listens to the stream and emit the line event. This emits the line event, right? What this line event, this particular line event, right? And every time when your callback is run, it prints that particular line, right? So yeah. And what is this crl f delay infinity? Well, this tells Node.js to handle both the Linux and window line uh, break, right? So with the help of this, basically your Node.js handles both, like either you are using a Linux or a window to read basically the line breaks easily and properly, right? So this is the main use case of the crlf delay infinity. I hope you understood the concept very clearly. If you do, then make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much. Goodbye.